How to loop your video in Canva, easy tutorial. So, currently the feature to do playback is a little hidden. It's not found in the top anymore. This is fine since it is still existing. So just go ahead and press on the clip that you want to loop. In this case, I'll loop this one. Then just go ahead to the edit here. You can see that over there. Then just scroll for a little bit and then there, you can see your playback. So in the playback, just go ahead and press on play on repeat, like so. Then it should automatically edit it as so. So if you go ahead and play the video, noise memes animations, by the way, from Roblox, then it should automatically play as playback on a loop. So that's pretty much how you do a loop on your clip or video in Canva. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.